Well, more flurries fell across the region today. It's all a decent amount of clouds as well. Just a few peaks of sunshine, but heading on later into tonight, more clouds will build into the area as we'll be looking out for more of that moisture that continues to work its way back into Minnesota, even as far west as North Dakota. This system is going to be bringing in more of that the snowflakes tonight. Is probably seeing slight accumulations, very light accumulations, right along the Wisconsin border, as we'll see close to maybe a coating as we head throughout the night. But not going to be expecting this to stay as all snow. We'll see more of a change on the way for us throughout the afternoon tomorrow and Thursday, seeing more of that change, probably dealing with more of a freezing rain event than just plain old snow. But we'll talk about that coming up here in a few seconds. Let's take a look at what's happening right now for us. Temperatures outside in Marquette are in the 30s, 36 degrees, mostly cloudy, winds from the east-northeast at 12 miles per hour, and they have been picking up throughout the afternoon. And as far as temperatures right now for us, we are at 36 degrees, but farther off to the west, some locations are seeing a little cooler conditions. 34 in Houghton, at 34 in Ontonagon, upper 30s in Ironwood, and more of the lower 40s closer to Florence and down into Menominee. And farther off to the east, upper 30s in Munising, 46 degrees currently in Escanaba, and Ishpeming currently at 34. Your current winds coming in from the east, at 13 in Houghton, 10 from the northeast in Marquette, while at 15 in Escanaba, more of an easterly wind as well in Ironwood. We'll keep that direction as we head into the afternoon tomorrow. Not expecting much change in that, but we'll continue to see more of those breezy, maybe strong winds as we head into the afternoon, and temperatures across the state, more of the 30s and 40s back into the UP. Farther south, 50s, 54 in Manistee, and at 47 in Detroit, while at 52 currently in Flint. But let's go ahead and take a look at our headlines. It will be overcast for us tonight, as we'll see skies mostly cloudy. Farther off to the south, we are going to expect that better chance of light snow to pick up for us. So probably around Iron Mountain, Menominee, Escanaba, look out for light accumulations. And as we head into the afternoon on Thursday, could be dealing with a wintry mix to the start of our day, as that snow will transition over to rain snow mix and then back over to maybe just plain rain, with temperatures barely making their way above the freezing mark in our northern areas. But as you go later on into the week, temperatures will warm up for all of us. We'll see them well above that freezing mark, and on Thursday could be looking out for a chance of a rain snow mix mixed in with that freezing rain at times, which could make things very slippery for us before eventually changing all over to plain rain showers. But here's our setup right now. Area of low pressure continuing to work its way off to the east. We're also noticing that this next wave of moisture, it enters as we go into the overnight and tomorrow. That's why we will see that moisture interact with the cool air. That is going to bring us the wintry precipitation very light into our Wednesday afternoon. Better chances of seeing that heavier precip will come in closer to Thursday. But let's go ahead and take a look at that on our FutureCast model. Tonight, just mostly cloudy right here closer to the state line. You are seeing a better chance of seeing that maybe light snow wintry mix, but heading into Wednesday afternoon, a lot of that does dissipate as we get closer to Thursday. Here comes that next wave of rain, and it comes in from the south, and this will be bringing in milder air. So on the onslaught of it at the beginning, maybe seeing more of that freezing rain at first before temps rise well above that freezing mark. We'll see more of the rain, and then on the backside of all this, expecting more of the snow to push in. It could be heavy at times, bringing us another inch or two. Don't want to see that, right? 27 degrees for your overnight low, milder and breezy. East winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. And for Wednesday, a light wintry mix, and then we'll see that transition to maybe some few light rain showers or just plain old drizzle for us. East-southeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Highs, middle 40s in Ontonagon at 46, 43 degrees in Crystal Falls, lower 40s in Lawrence, calling for the upper 30s in Marquette, and upper 30s also in Escanaba and in Manistee. Your bus stop forecast tomorrow morning, 27 degrees, some light flurries possible for us. East-northeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Wednesday, a rain-snow mix. Thursday, maybe seeing some freezing rain push in before temps rise above freezing. We'll see more of the rain showers heading on into the late afternoon hours. Milder air will be around for us on Friday, so expecting just rain showers before cool air arrives heading into Saturday morning and Friday night, which will give us snow and accumulating snow, but still remaining on the mild side heading into the weekend with temps in the upper 40s and the lower 50s.